Create 3 is the combination of years of experience taking industrial-level 3D printing into a more compact form factor. The IDEX system allows users to print 2 same models independently at the same time, even in different colors and materials. With one-piece design, the Quick 3 nozzle is capable of printing at a maximum temperature of 300 Celsius and compatible with various materials. With built-in pressure induction system, the extruders will detect the height difference and make safe calibration automatically. X-axis calibration would check the alignment of the printed lines by the 2 extruders to make sure they are on the same axis. So as the Y-axis alignment calibration. Independent extruders also allow the printer to print the same parts simultaneously. It doubles the small production speed comparing to an ordinary printer. A bendable and removable heating platform now comes standard on Create 3. The specialized flexible build plate saves you both time and tool needed when removing your delicate prints effortlessly. Durable spring steel platform with great flatness is able to stand a temperature up to 120 Celsius. The new spool holder enables compatibility with the various 1 kg filament spools for third-party materials. Air filtration. Safer and more environmentally friendly by filtering fine dust effectively. Duplicate printing mode allows to print 2 identical parts at the same time to improve production efficiency. Removable magnetic build plate includes a quick release magnetic printing surface, really easy to install it back. Support soluble materials. It can be used for complex structure model to get greater details. Create 3 uses independent extruders to print incredibly complicated shapes and parts with ease by using soluble supports.